Hello, kumusta ka? Salamat sa pagbibigay ng oras sa pag-attend sa celebration ng aking 70th birthday. Ah, kung po pwede, mag-leave ka ng message. Thank you.
Mother, happy birthday. Hulaan mo sino ako. Nadasal ko sa Lord, humaba pa ang buhay niyo ng Papa. At saka para matagal pa tayo magkasama-sama kasi habang nandito pa kami, syempre kailangan namin kayo ng Papa. Alam mo na 'yon. Love you, Mother. Sana masaya ka ngayon at sa mga susunod pang araw. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday and I love you. At marami pa tayong pagsasamahan. Marami pa tayong pagsasamahan na masaya. Yun lang, maraming salamat and patawarin mo ako sa mga hindi natin pagkakaunawaan. Happy birthday, I love you. Bye-bye. May happy birthday. Sana masaya ka, especially today. Salamat sa lahat ng sacrifice mo sa amin, sa pagmamahal. Palagi ka lang tatawag kay Lord pag kailangan mo siya. Nandito lang kami palagi para sa iyo. We love you.
Hello, happy birthday Lola. God bless you. Hulaan mo na lang kung sino ako.
Hey Rose, kaklase mo, andito kaming lahat to celebrate with your birthday. We have many more birthdays to come and sana you are always healthy. Keep keep your keep yourself healthy at saka masaya. Enjoy life to the fullest. Happy birthday again.
Hello, Cecil. Happy birthday. Wishing you always good health, long life, at siyempre, dapat lagi kang masaya. Stay happy, sweet, beautiful, and lovely. We love you, Cecil. God bless. Happy birthday uli.
Happy birthday, Cecil. Stay sweet and happy and healthy. Uh, Masayang masaya ka sa birthday mo. Malusog at malakas. Sige. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday! Ano pa ba marirequest mo? Ay, i-request ko para sa iyo. Nasa iyo na lahat. Anyway, good health na lang. 'Di ba? And alam mo na, more happiness. Happy birthday!
Hi La, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa pagkain ginagawa mo sa akin. Love you. Hi La, happy birthday. Love you po.
Hi La, I love you. Happy birthday. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw na to. Ayun. Happy birthday. I love you. From Ella. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Lola. Sana na-enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday. I love you lagi.
Lola, happy birthday. 78th birthday. Ah, stay healthy. Yun nga. Umabot ka nga ng 70. Mataas-taas na yan sa age. Matanda na rin talaga. Yun, sana enjoyin mo na lang po yung enjoy na lang life. Sana maging masaya na lang palagi. Yun, stay healthy, kain ng mabuti, and enjoy with the mga anakis and apo. Yun lang, happy birthday ulit. I love you.
Hello ate, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Wish ko sa'yo, bigyan pa ng malusog at malakas ang pangangatawan. Abutin mo pa yung 80, 90, 100 kung pwede. Basta, sana maging masaya ka at lagi malakas may malusog na pangangatawan. Happy birthday ate, God bless.
Hi Ceci, happy birthday. Ate Lily to. See you later. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.
Hello!
Lola, can you hear me? Hi, Lola. Happy 70th birthday to you. Mahal na mahal ka namin talaga. Kasi bakit? Kasi bakit? Ayun, Lola, sobrang grateful talaga ako sa life mo. Kasi, ikaw, ano ba? Ba't mo ba ako binibidyohan? Kasi, syempre ikaw alam ko ang sacrifice mo para kila mami, sa lahat ng magkakapatid, ganyan. So, ayun deserve mo lahat ng kaginhawahan ngayong buhay mo. Ayun, paalis-alis, deserve mo yan, la. So, ayun, happy birthday. I love you very much. Bye!
Ay, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mama Sassy! Happy birthday, Mama Sassy!
After po nito, maglalaro na po tayo na meron po napakabonggang prize trip to Jerusalem.
Thank you with a good yoya.
Tulog na tayo sa prize, di ba?
We love
Trip
you.
to Jerusalem. So, bonggang-bongga talaga yung prize natin. Sarap sumali.
Si Mori. Oh.
Hello.
Hello. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I am Awi. I am Awi.
Hawak na po tayo.
Thank you. I love you. I love you. Bye. Bye.
Yung mga artista.
Happy birthday po.
Next, Sir Luis, ayan, the brother of the debutante. Mami, alam mo, it's your chance to shine. Ang tatasali na. Ayaw mo talaga, sayang yung prize. Ayan, sige.
Happy birthday,
Lola.
Happy Lola.
One line lang
I love you.
Tita Cecil, happy birthday. We're so happy.
birthday po.
Happy birthday po. We're so happy to be here celebrating your 70th birthday and seeing how happy you are with the people who loves you so much, Tita. So, Tita, kami po ni Anthony and even Jojo, our family, we love you and you are always in our prayers, and we pray that you will continue to have a joyful life, a long life, a healthy life, and more fun time and building meaningful memories with your children and your grandchildren and with Tito as well. God bless po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po. Hoping and praying always for you, and ang dalangin ko po ay talaga pong pagpalain pa po kayo ni God ng mas mahaba pa pong buhay. Happy birthday po, Tita. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mami! We love you! From Reg.
Happy birthday, Mami. We love you.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Lola Mame.
Ella, matatapos na ang birthday mo. Ha? Matatapos na po ang birthday mo, Lola, and sana po nag-enjoy ka ngayon. We love you so much. These are all for you. I love you.
Yeah, si Ella yon and si Nina to. Ayun, kakatapos lang ng, ano yun, SE, di ba yun? Ano yun? Same day, SDE. Ayun, so, yeah, ang ganda ng kinalabasan. Oh, wala na akong masabi. Ang ganda, the best. Bye!
Start na ulit.
Hindi ba? Sabi ko,
Si Ate Gian daw may message la.
ililipat ko po to kay Ate Gian. Hoy!
Lahat naman po, at saka anak ng Mami Cecil.
Hello. Hi, La. Love you. Magpipicture na kami. Tayo pala.
Picture na kami. Bye. Love you.
Time check, 9:01 p.m.
Hi, Wawa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.